In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Shopee banned device. So please watch the video until the end and follow this tutorial step by step to avoid making mistakes. So let's get started. So the first thing you want to do is head over to your web browser and go to Shopee. Now in the Shopee dashboard, you want to log into your account. After logging into your account, you want to hover your mouse to your account right here in the upper right corner of the screen and select My Account. Now, from here in your profile settings or your account settings, what you want to do is to simply change your phone number. So, if you haven't added any phone number yet, you might want to add a new phone number. So, adding a phone number verifies your account and unblocks or unbans your account or any device you use for Shopee. So make sure that the device or the phone that you're using for Shopee has this phone number that you have added here in your account. So if in any case this phone number is already banned, so I might as well need to change it. So simply click on change and add your new phone number. So that's it. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.